Gold prices just made a huge move, so let's jump right in and break it all down.
Right now, the market's in what analysts are calling an adjustment phase. Basically, things are settling down.
Just this morning, the Thai gold bar price was sitting around 72,350 baht.
And get this, that's a drop of over 10,000 baht from its recent all-time high.
So what's behind this massive drop? Well, the main reason is pretty interesting.
It really all comes down to the US dollar. It bounced back hard, putting major pressure on gold.
Okay, so to make sense of this, you gotta know the key numbers traders are watching.
First up is support. Just think of it like a price floor that's tough to break through. And then there's resistance, which is the opposite, a ceiling the price can't seem to punch through.
And here are those numbers. This is the battlefield for gold right now, the levels everyone's watching.
So, with these numbers in mind, what's the actual game plan? Let's check it out.
Well, your strategy really depends on where you stand. There are two main ways to play this.
All right, if you're on the sidelines waiting to get in, the strategy is buy the dip.
Basically, be patient, don't go all in at once, and make sure you protect your investment.
Now, if you already bought in higher, the goal is to bring down your average cost.
Okay, all this short-term chaos is one thing, but what's the long-term picture looking like?
You know, if you zoom out to the weekly chart, the long-term uptrend is actually still there.
In fact, some are still calling for a potential price of $5,600 by year's end.
But before we get too excited, there's a really important word of caution we need to cover.
Things are super volatile right now, so discipline is absolutely your best friend at the moment.
So the real question you have to ask yourself is, are you ready for this kind of market?